Hi, I'm Alice Kingdom and I'm going to show you how I wrap my mast tour to allow me to be able to change my needle length as I work. So I've got this barrier film here and I have the mast with the built-in battery pack. And the first thing that I'm going to do is to put my barrier film right down towards the neck where my swivel adjustment is. And I'm going to wrap around, and then towards the end I'm just going to fold up in a triangle, and that means that when I'm then cleaning my machine down I can find the end of my barrier film easily to take that away. Now this barrier film isn't quite long enough to cover and stick over and protect the top, so I'm going to use some microfiber tape just to make sure that it doesn't flap open while I'm working. Just going to use that to seal over the top, like so. And then what I want to do is I want this part to remain usable, because I use different kinds of needles when I work. I want to be able to adjust the hang. So with my second piece of film, I'm going to take that and bend a portion over, and that means that then this is going to have kind of free movement. So I'm going to bring that barrier film all the way down to the edge there. I'm going to wrap again, leaving myself a triangle so that when I come to breaking down and cleaning down my machine afterwards, I can easily then unwrap. And then my cohesive tape goes around the bottom. But wrapping it in that two-section way means that I can still adjust my needle hang as I'm working.